Why settle for ordinary when you can experience the extraordinary? At LSPM, we're redefining education with our unique selling points. Step into a world where knowledge meets experience. Our seasoned faculty brings real-world insights to the classroom, ensuring a transformative learning journey. But it's not just about what happens inside the classroom. At LSPM, you'll join a dynamic community of like-minded individuals, forging lifelong connections and making memories that last a lifetime. Don't just choose a school, choose a lifestyle. Choose LSPM and unlock a world of opportunities. Your journey starts here. To apply, visit our website www.lspm.org.uk today.